Morning crawlers, back with an update on the SCX24 Deadbolt. I know, doesn't look like Deadbolt anymore, but I'll tell you all about that. So here we are, we're at Grafton again. It's a week later. We've done significant amount of upgrades to this little fella to see if we can stop it from falling over, and we'll obviously do a video to show you how it's getting on. But I thought you might be interested to see what we've got going on inside. So I'm going to flip this round, and then what we'll do is run you through the upgrades so far. The big one obviously is I've changed the body, but I'll tell you why I've done that as we go through. Okay, so here we are. Here's our Deadbolt, which is now a Jeep. Let's flip it open. I'm not sure if it's going to stay open because of the wind, so I might turn it around actually. Let's turn it around that way so the wind blows up. Apologies for the wind, I didn't bring my wind thing. Not sure if that's going to stay open. Right, so here we are. Lots and lots of upgrades. Probably the first thing you're going to see is look at this Furitek Stinger Outrunner for your SCX24. It is amazing. The slow speed control is just phenomenal. The Stinger kit comes with the ESC and a Bluetooth module, so that means you can basically get rid of your the whole SCX24 receiver and ESC, giving you a bit more space. Space is obviously a premium. So move the battery tray so the battery sits nice and low now. We've got just got a Futaba receiver in the back, and that sits nice. The reason for the body change is to give clearance over these, because with the Deadbolt these stick up, and I was having a few issues with it not wanting to steer. So that's that part. We've put these trays on. You can see how low the battery now sits. That's going to help with the centre of gravity. Upgraded the servo to a cheap one off of eBay, but the magic's obviously everywhere else. So have a look at this. We've got Treal all the way under here. These are beautiful. They're made of alloy, really strong. Treal wheels, RC4 wheel drive, I think RM3 tires, which are really nice. Treal brass C hubs and Treal center diff. We've also put overdrive in the front, which will help hopefully with the climbing. We'll find out. There are also inside, if I can open it up again, there we go, some Treal shocks, which seem to be pretty good. Got a little bit of something catching somewhere. Might be this wire actually. There we go. So we've got some nice motion. We've got the soft springs on the front, we've got the harder springs on the back, so we can see how that goes, how that performs, and then just modified the back so that I can fit the bigger body on, and it all works. So we're going to give you a running video shortly, and we'll see how it gets on, see if it falls over a lot.
Get one on the Craig?
Yeah, I'll sell my big car first.
150. Is it 150 though?
Yeah.
Did you show your computer?
No.
It looks impressive. What's it? Petrol, is it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Great car.
No, that's the trouble. People want everything for nothing, don't they? Facebook.